Yes, Suma, please
You want me to
continue.
repeat, start from the beginning?
Yeah, we'll go to the previous. Yeah.
Okay.
So let me start. Happy morning, everyone, and we are going to do today's chapter is have a magical day. So let's begin.
Day 14. Have a magical day.
Yes. So this picture tells us, as we have discussed, this picture tells us that time is boundless. There is no limitation to time. When we say that didn't get enough time to sleep. I didn't get enough time to do this work, and my work is unfinished. And we keep on giving excuses to ourselves. So today's chapter is going to tell us and guide us that how we can get over this. How we start respecting time. And the moment we start respecting time and define our day, then everything that happens around us becomes magical. Yes.
Intentions compressed into words enfold magical power by Deepak Chopra, 1946. Medical doctor and writer.
यस सो जब हम अपने इरादों को शब्दों में डाल देते हैं, शब्दों में घनीभूत कर देते हैं, तो दुनिया, पूरी कायनात भी हमें उस इट टेक्स अस टुवर्ड्स दैट मैजिकल पावर.
तो मेरे को वो
To
करना
see and
सॉरी
experience the
वापस
most magical day of your life, you
Just a
can.
minute, Uma, just a minute. Somebody's voice I can hear.
Yes.
Please, can you mute yourselves? Everybody, can you take the responsibility of muting yourself? Because when I do, then there is maybe some of you can't, the reader won't be able to, so there'll be little confusion. So my request to all of you is please mute yourselves.
Vanda
Only
ji,
when you want to speak, you can unmute. Yes, yes, Bharatji.
Vanda ji, you can mute from your system from to all of us.
I know I can do, but it's a little. I'm not that tech savvy. I'll have to go back and then something will
Okay,
go garbad. That's why I'm not doing it.
okay, okay.
Yeah. So
To,
this is an Indian author. The first time in all these days we've come across an Indian name, Deepak Chopra, and it feels very proud, that some Indian name is there on this book also. Yeah, please continue.
to see and experience the most magical day of your life, you can be grateful for your whole day before you live it. To have a magical day, you simply think through your plans for the day and say the magic words thank you for each one going well before you lived it. It's the easiest thing to do. It only takes a few minutes, but the difference it can make in your day is incredible. Being grateful for your day beforehand creates a magical day through the law of attraction. When you give thanks for experiences in your day going well, you must receive back experiences going well.
Yes. So, how to experience the most magical day of your life? For those of us, as I was suggesting, for those of us who couldn't do yesterday's assignment, and it's for some reason or the other that maybe you have it in your headspace and you haven't got the printout, you haven't written it down. That's fine. So now you can define your day as you are reading, you can define your whole day before you live it. So the book is telling us that every day of all what we have learned till now is the time to take charge of your day, to make your day magical. So just plan. How do we plan our day? One thing what I've seen in most of the youngsters today is that when you ask them that what time will you do this and what time you will come, what time you wake up, what time you will sit for studies, the only answer what I have received till now is, I can only talk about myself and also about other kids whom I know. They would say I don't know. they don't want to bind themselves according to the time. Of course, exceptional cases are there, but most of them. So so for them it's a beautiful understanding, for many of us also, that the moment we plan our day, that at this time I will do this, little bit here and there is fine, but this time I'm just devoting this time to this task, this time to this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to make phone calls, I have a fixed time for receiving and talking to people. So like that, this time I'm going to sit and read a book, and this is the time I'm going to, so define your entire day. And what do? You add one more thing which you haven't yet till today, I'm assuming, that you say thank you first before you actually are going to do that thing, with the sense, with the feeling that you have already got it, you've already done it. So in your inner world, you've already done it before it has actually come out in the outer world. We discussed yesterday that our inner world, the outer world, is a reflection of our inner world, and whatever we give, it comes back to us. So then we change our frequency, we change the vibrations of our body and mind, and everything around us changes according to the way we had designed. Mm, yes, please
The,
continue.
if you don't believe you have the power to affect the circumstances of your day so dramatically, think about a time when you woke up grumpy or in a bad mood. You went off into your day, and one thing after another went wrong until by the end of the day you were exclaiming that you had a heck of a bad day, as though the bad day happened by accident. Well, the only reason you had a bad day was because you took your bad mood from the morning with you, and it was your bad mood that was the cause of one thing after another going wrong.
So how many of you agree to this? Yes, no?
Oh yes.
Yes, no? Can you write it on the chat? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, so when we जब हम चिड़चिड़ेपन में या कुछ अच्छी मनोदशा से नहीं जगते हैं, तो what happens, एक की बाद वो पूरा दिन ही वैसा जाता है. And then we say, I don't know किसका मुंह देख के उठे थे, we say that, right? But किसका मुंह मतलब you created that for yourself. आपने जो भले ही आपने रात को आप जिस भी थॉट के साथ सोए हैं, उस थॉट के साथ ही आप सुबह उठेंगे. रिमेम्बर, लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. इवन maybe at times we must have done the magic rock practice, लेकिन वो प्रैक्टिस करने की, that's why the book says ना, do the magic rock practice last thing in the night. मतलब आप उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, बाथरूम भी नहीं जाएंगे, लाइट्स भी ऑफ नहीं करेंगे, सब कुछ पहले हो जाएगा, उसके बाद में यू सिट फॉर दिस प्रैक्टिस. Why? Because that is the last thought where you've counted the blessings of the entire day, and you're grateful for the best thing that happened during the day. This was told to us on the second day itself. But again, why is it saying this, that you went to sleep with a bad mood or a grumpy mood? Because maybe that some of us, after doing the magic rock practice, we look into our cell phones, something, kuch to dekh lete hain na cell phone mein, like and then when we open our cell phones, then what comes, अरे उस जगह पे इतनी बारिश आई और इतने लोग मर गए, या because of COVID, nowadays we're reading news about COVID. So because of COVID, so many people died, or now it's that has become less. So now the injections, the vaccination, so we read news about the vaccination. So all that, if we can, it's good to be aware of whatever is happening, but last thing in the night, let us avoid, even if you feel like watching something on the TV, and something, it is some kind of डिस्कॉर्स, किसी का सत्संग सुन रहे हैं या कुछ अच्छी चीज देख रहे हैं, my invitation to all of you is, let the last thing be counting your blessings and giving thanks, to counting your blessings in the sense whatever has happened during the day and the best thing that happened during the day, and say thank you and then go to sleep, and then see what happens when you wake up in the morning. What feelings do you wake up in the morning? Please continue.
Even waking up in a bad mood doesn't happen by accident, because it means that you went to sleep thinking negatively about something, perhaps without realizing it. It's the very reason why you're doing the magic rock practice last thing at night, to ensure that you go to sleep thinking good thoughts. The magic rock practice at night, combined with count your blessings every morning, sets a good mood at night and in the morning, and they guarantee that you are feeling good before you go off into your day. To have a magical day, you need to feel good. I don't know of anything other than gratitude that guarantees to put you in a good mood almost instantly.
Yes, so we know now, we've experienced this, that there is no other way other than gratitude, other than being grateful, other than being thankful, other than being, kritagya, that guarantees to put you in a good mood almost instantly. And we all are experiencing that, right? So, I mean, if you know of any other way, still you want to keep on doing that, you can go ahead. But we all are experiencing that it's only with gratitude. The last thing what I put in my in my feelings. So let's talk of our feelings, because more and more we talk of our feelings, the more and more we'll be able to identify for ourselves. तो जितना हम अपने फीलिंग्स को टटोलेंगे, जितना हम अपनी फीलिंग्स को देखेंगे, even sometimes it happens with me that maybe when I'm doing the magic rock practice, I'm doing it mechanically, just karna hai, because it gets into the habit, and sometimes it does happen. So then you have to actually check, it's a reality check, that am I doing just for the sake of doing, or am I actually doing because it will create some magic, it will create some shift in my mind before I go to sleep. So then one more thing if you can add is, after doing the magic rock practice, when you've said the you have paid gratitude, आपने बोला thank you, thank you, thank you, जो भी आपके दिन में हुआ, the best thing that happened, then see how your feelings are. How are you feeling? हो सकता है आधी घंटा पहले you were feeling irritable, you were feeling, there was a sense of worry या कुछ भी हुआ होगा, but just check your feelings after that, and then after checking your feelings, say thank you to those feelings and then go to sleep. I am 101% sure, when you check your feelings, when you say thank you, when you have identified that, you will wake up with those same feelings in the morning. Okay? And now we are learning one more new thing. The book is teaching us one more additional thing. Please continue.
Whatever your plans are for the day today, whether it's traveling, a meeting, work project, lunch, exercise, dropping off dry cleaning, playing a sport, going to the theater, meeting a friend, yoga, cleaning your house, going to school, or buying groceries. Turn today into a magical day by saying the magic word, thank you, for each plan going well. Before you live it, if you are a person who writes daily lists of things you need to do, then you can go through your daily list and be grateful for each one having gone well. Whether you do this magical practice in your mind or on paper, the most important thing is that you feel the result of each plan or activity was the best it could have been.
Yes. So, you know what? When we wake up in the morning, supposing we woke up late, okay, and the alarm, we all have a habit of waking up with an alarm clock. Some of us can wake up early also. We'll talk about it. Just remind me how to wake up without the alarm clock. So we'll discuss it afterwards. So so whenever we wake up, whether we have woken up with the alarm clock, whether we have missed the alarm clock, now the book is telling us that the plan for the day. You know, we just get ready fast, we just wake up, we just go to the bathroom without any awareness. At times we do this, but now I'm assuming that after we have done the previous chapters, we are saying thank you, thank you, thank you, and we have actually calmed and cooled down. You know, we have settled in our morning ritual. And then, so now what we are going to add is, just think, just keep on thinking in your mind, just keep on feeling that whatever work you will be doing through the day, just define the work. And when you define the work, feel that you've already done it. You know, it's so magical na? That's why it's called have a magical day. आपने पहले ही सोच लिया है कि वो मिल गया है आपको और आपने कर लिया है उस चीज को, whether it's attending a meeting. So now, as we read further, it's going to tell us that how do we, you know, frame our sentences. So we have to just remember the first sentence, which was told, intentions when put into words set the magic into action. जो हमारे intentions है, okay, I am assuming that all of us have some kind of schedule, some kind of structure in the mind कि today we are going to follow a day like this. आज हमको ये काम करना है. All of us have that in our minds, right? Yes, no?
Yes.
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 Yeah. So अभी हम उसको कैसे जादू करेंगे उसके ऊपर? So how we will just feel that we have already done it, and how we express our gratitude. Those three magical words: thank you, thank you, thank you. We start with that, and then we say that for the meeting, or for traveling, or for a phone call, or for making the lunch, or for the exercise routine, or for meeting a friend, or maybe cleaning the house, or maybe going to school, or maybe teaching my kids, or maybe buying groceries. You know, just turn everything today into a magical day by first imagining that and saying thank you, thank you, thank you for before it has actually happened. So it says before you live it. We all live every moment, right? So before you have lived that moment, you are saying thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you are a person, there are some of us who write our daily list, our to-do list. So you can go through that to-do list, and what you can do is that you can add a time to it, that this time I'm going to do this. This is one step ahead. So you can just add that, or maybe, you know, if you don't want to be specific, if you can be specific, very good. It is quite possible that you'll end up doing that work at that same time. But if you feel that no, I don't want to do that, you can just define, you know, a time zone, maybe 15 minutes, or maybe, you know, if not 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, you can write 8 to 8:15. You know, but if you be specific, it's all the more better. So my request to all of you is that be as specific as you can to set the magic into motion. So if someone is making a to-do list, you can add this also. And then whether you do this magical practice in your mind or on paper, the most important thing is to feel the result of each plan or activity was the best it could have been. The moment we write these words, we say these words, thank you, thank you, thank you, we actually have, you know, felt it. The feeling is that this is the best it could have been. That's why we say thank you, na? So it's the best, feel that the best possible outcome will be regards this work that you have thought of. Please continue.
Vandana, can Usha just
Oh,
start now?
okay. Thank you, Ma, for reading this beautifully for us. Yes. Yes, Usha ji, you can begin. When you use gratitude ahead of time. Usha ji, are you there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can
When
start from
you
this.
start.
Yes.
Start.
Yes, please.
When you use gratitude ahead of time to have a magical day, It wipes out unexpected problems or difficulties before they happen. The more you use this magical practice, the better your days will become. And from the smallest things to the important things, everything starts going well in your life. The bumpy days smooth out, and instead of frustrating or troublesome things happening in your day start to have a magical flow about them, and things seem to magically go your way with less effort, no worry, no
No stress and
stress,
far more joy.
no joy.
यस सो जो भी हमारे जब हम ऐसा करने लग जाते हैं तो वट एवर एफर्ट मतलब प्रयास चिंता या तनाव सब दूर हो जाते हैं एंड वी विल एक्सपीरियंस दैट for ourselves the moment we start doing. So today we as we are reading the chapter, even after doing the chapter, you can just define your day. You know, it's not that you will be starting from tomorrow. You can start from today itself. Please continue.
When I first began to use gratitude to have a magical day, I choose to give thanks ahead of time for the events in my day that I didn't enjoy doing very much. One of those things was going to the supermarket at the beginning of the day. I said the magic words, "Thank you for the easy and joyful trip to the supermarket." I had no idea how a trip to the supermarket could be easy and joyful, but I felt as much gratitude for that outcome as I could.
Yes, so beautiful ना. जो चीज आपको करने की इच्छा नहीं होती है, जिसमें मजा नहीं आ रहा है, जिसको आप you're not enjoying that activity of your day, उसमें भी you can, you know, you can add, you can write, and you'll see the magical change that takes place. So Rhonda Bryan is saying that I don't. One of those things was going to the supermarket. She didn't enjoy doing that very much. So she wrote, "Thank you for the easy." So this is the structure which the book is telling us. Thank you for the easy and joyful trip to the supermarket. And then when her day proceeds, जब day आगे जाता है, तो yeah, so she's sharing what happens when she goes. Yes, please continue.
The result of gratitude magical power was that I got a parking space right at the door. I then ran into two friends. One friend I had not seen for a long time, and we got together for lunch after shopping. The second friend I ran into told me about an amazing and inexpensive house cleaner, which was something I had been dreaming of having. As I did my supermarket shopping, wherever I looked, what I needed was magically in front of my eyes. Everything was in stock on the shelves. One item after another was on special, and as I approached the checkout after doing my shopping in record time, a new aisle
A new
opened.
aisle opened.
A new aisle opened, and the checkout person signaled me to them. As the checkout person was putting my items through the register. Out of the blue, she asked, "Do you need any batteries?" It was the one item I had forgotten to buy. My trip to the supermarket was beyond easy and joyful. It was downright magical.
Yes, so beautiful, na? But see, look at the words what she had written. The intention that she had put was, "Thank you for the easy and joyful trip to the supermarket." So easy may when she wrote easy and she felt it, she got a parking space right at the door so easily. And then joyful, she met two of her friends and they got together for lunch after shopping. So when you are with friends, you really feel happy and joyful, right? And then this line that as I approached the checkout after doing my shopping in a record time, matlab everything was so effortless that jo bhi, everything was right in front of her. Everything was in stock on the shelves and she could pick up everything and the record time. And then what happened that she didn't have to wait because a new aisle opened, a new counter opened, and the checkout person signaled me to them. And then when I was putting my items, there was something, there was so beautiful, na, that somebody asked, "Do you need any batteries?" And that person, who was sitting on the counter. And it was one of those things I'd forgotten to buy. My trip to the supermarket was beyond easy and joyful. It was downright magical. Isn't it magical that somebody else knows about something which you wanted to buy and you forgot? Yeah, have we experienced this in our life anytime? Any one of us? Yes,
Yeah,
no?
yeah. Yes.
Lovely. So
Is
we
it?
all have experienced that, na? That if we, it happens with me that I am in my house and if I'm remembering something to say to somebody and it's just coming in my mind and that person appears in front of me and says, "Did you call me? Did you want to say something?" And I'm so amazed at how did that happen? So what is happening actually is that our energy travels, our energy of thought, it travels because we are into that happy state of mind, right? We are, you remember the feeling chart, we are above the line, we are above the line, we are into that happy state wherein everything happens the moment we start thinking about it. Please continue.
It only takes a few minutes in the morning to use gratitude to have a magical day by giving thanks for the events in your day ahead of time. But this one practice alone will change the way your entire day unfolds.
So now the book is telling us now that what we have to do. So how we have to do and what we have to do, and then see what happens. To have a magical day, please continue.
To have a magical day, when you wake up to the new day, either before you get out of bed or while you are showering or getting dressed, think about your plans for the day and give thanks for each one going brilliant well. Make sure you do this magical practice at the beginning of your day and in one session. In your mind, work your way through the plans you have for the morning, afternoon, and evening until bedtime. With each plan or event, say the magic words and imagine that you are saying thank you at the end of the day and you are immensely grateful because it did go brilliantly well.
Yes, so we are going to do a visualization on this para, what we just read. You can please continue.
You can use as many superlatives as you like to help you feel more grateful. Thank you for the incredibly successful meeting. Thank you for the amazing outcome with the phone call. Thank you for one of the best days ever at work. Thank you for the thrilling sports game. Thank you for the effortless and fun day of fun day of cleaning. Thank you for the great night out with our friends. Thank you for the relaxing day of travel.
Just a minute,
Thank
Usha ji, there is some noise. Who is not muted? Can you please check, all of you? Thank you. Thank you. Yes, please continue.
Thank you for the amazing energy from my exercise session. Thank you for the best family get together we have ever had.
Yes, so now we know how to think in our mind, how to create our entire day, how to design the structure of our day. Superlatives make a lot of difference, you know. So we have understood this earlier also, that thank you, the reason, you know, thank you for what, and you know, for that what is really important. Thank you for an incredibly, and now we are learning to add a superlative, you know, कि हम उसको और ज्यादा पावरफुल कर देते हैं उस चीज को जब हम एक सुपरलेटिव डाल देते हैं, लाइक इनक्रेडिबल, अमेजिंग, you know, it's thrilling, जो भी these, the moment we say these words ना, एक अंदर से एक अंदर से एक उत्साह आ जाता है, एक जॉय आ जाता है, रिलैक्सिंग, you know, anything, effortless, amazing, जितने जितने superlatives आप add कर सकते हैं, keep on adding, because then it becomes more magical. Yes, please continue.
This magical practice is more powerful if you can say the magic words thank you out loud for each experience, but if you are not in a position to say them out loud, then it is fine to say them in your mind.
Yes, so one more thing the book tells us is that if you can say thank you out loud, you can, you know, sometimes if you can't say loud, it's fine, but you can also whisper, or या फिर softly भी बोल सकते हैं. But why out loud? Because maybe that your mind gets into some other thought. So when you are saying out loud, you're hearing your own voice, and then it becomes a reality for you. You know, you can just try doing it. Yes, please continue.
After you have finished using gratitude's magical power for every task and event in your day, and the practice by saying, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. Without fail, every single morning when I finish using
Yes, so
to
beautiful.
have
Huh?
a
Just, yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. I haven't turned the page. So after you finished using gratitude's magical power for every task and event in your day, end the practice by saying, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. Wow, so beautiful and very, very important. Thank you for the great news coming to me today. Just, you know, it's a mystery. Something new, some great news will come to me today. So, just when you've designed the entire structure, then you say this. You know, after you've finished using gratitude's magical power for every task and event in your day. And without fail, every single morning when I finish using gratitude, yes, please continue.
gratitude to have a magical day. I gave thanks for the great news coming to me that day. As a result, I have never received so much great news in my entire life. One week after another, one day after another, great news pours in. Each time I receive another piece of great news, I am especially grateful and excited because I know I used gratitude's magical power to bring it. And then even more great news continues continues to come in. If you want to receive more great news than you ever have before, then just follow in my footsteps.
Yes, so beautiful. And believe me, if you have that conviction, अगर वो विश्वास के साथ में, if you say that thank you for the great news coming to me today, you will, you know, if you follow the footsteps, you will receive every day, you will receive great news. but you have to feel it. You have to feel it, and with complete trust and faith, feel it. So, congratulations, we have finished 2 weeks of our magical book journey, and I really didn't feel how the days just got over one day and flowing into the next, the third, the fourth. And today we have completed, and we are just ready to step into the third week. So we started crawling, then we started walking, and now we are all ready to run. So be on your toes, just schedule your entire day. So it's so beautiful, na? Just before uh, yes, Uma, we are going to read, so just before that, I'm just saying this before we read magic practice number 14. Thanks for reminding, Uma. So just before just before the book is telling us that we are about to run, it has already set the beautiful structure. Today's practice is, you define your entire day. So we are all ready to run. We all are ready to run. It's like, when you have to run 100 kilometers, 100 meters race, and before that you have to practice. Now we have to go to many days of training, or you have to run a marathon. So you have to really train yourself, right? So now the book has trained us for every possible thing. We started with the past, we came into the present. Now we are all, so when we started writing our desires and dreams yesterday, it actually prepared us to move into the future. And now today it has prepared us to start running. And now we read the magic practice number 14. Please continue.
Magic practice number 14. Have a magical day. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, in the morning, work your way in your mind through the plan you have for the day and evening until bedtime. With each plan or event, say the magic word. Thank you for it having gone well. Imagine that you are saying thank you at the end of the day, and you are immensely grateful because it went perfectly. Third, after you have finished being grateful for all the plans in your day going brilliant well, and this magical practice by saying, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. Fourth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. So, yeah, we all have understood our assignment. First is count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings that we all know and we all are doing. Then in the morning, work your way in your mind. So in the morning, it has said now that while you are getting ready, you can just work your way, you can just think. And like Mota Moti, that this I have to do till afternoon, this I have to do in the evening, this I have to do till the time I go to sleep. You know what you need to do. So now we have understood how we can design the structure of the day. And most important is say thank you before it has already happened. And then the next one is after you finish being grateful for the plans in your day going brilliantly well, end this magical practice by saying, see, everything is italicized, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. So you have made sure that there is some great news which is going to come to you today. How beautiful, na? How beautiful this the book is leading us to different how it's defining our footsteps also. कि ये तो होना ही है, ये great news आना ही है आज. With that conviction, with that faith, if you say that definitely some great news is coming to me today, and it will come, and it has come, and say thank you. So you will we'll have I'm hoping that we'll have a lot of sharings tomorrow, because every one of us will receive some great news today. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you, Usha ji, for reading this chapter for us. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Yes, so anybody has any sharings? Anything you want to ask before we do the visualization? Anybody wants to share anything? Yes, Seena ji, magical marathon, lovely. It is indeed, right?
Yes.
Yes. How did you feel when so all of us who haven't shared what we did yesterday when we made our vision board, or we haven't yet made, have you got the guideline now how to define, so that you will be making it today? So you can just define it that today, between this time or this time, or till this time, or at this time, if you want to be really specific. Remember, the book tells us that you be as specific as you can. So if you are being specific, then that habit of procrastination, that habit of confusion, that habit of saying I don't have enough time, I didn't get time, will go. Yeah. So if you can just define in your mind right now that whatever I couldn't do yesterday, I'll do today, and also what all needs to be done. Yes.
Yes.
So anybody wants to ask anything? Anybody has any sharings from yesterday or from today's reading? If you want to share anything, you can unmute yourselves and start sharing.
वंदना जी,
हाँ जी.
आपने बताया था ना कि आप वो शेयर करेंगी कि जल्दी कैसे उठ सकते हैं, वो आप बात.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Thank you for reminding. Yeah. So this I've tried on myself. Actually, the idea came when I was in one of my workshops, in one of my yoga workshops, and I was sharing my room with 3 people in the room, and I always had a habit of putting an alarm. And that time my alarm was a little louder alarm, and unconsciously वो alarm उसी time, because वो एक fixed time था जो alarm, that time I used to wake up at 5 o'clock. So मैंने वो 5 o'clock का alarm fix था मेरा for all the days of the week. So when I went to the workshop, हमने मेरा वो alarm set था और वो 5 बजे बजा, जोर से बजा. There was so much of silence there, तो और जोर से लग रहा था. And so everybody, of course I woke up, बट जो दूसरे लोग थे उनको बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो गया, बिकॉज इट वॉजंट देयर टाइम टू वेक अप. So then I actually felt, so then the person who was sharing, one of my friends, she said that why do you need to wake up with the alarm? Why do you need this? So she shared a very beautiful way how to do it, so I'm sharing it with you all. And after that, I have tried doing that. So I actually tried doing that in the entire retreat. वो retreat 10 दिन का था. तो उसने मुझे बोला कि just before you go to sleep in the night, now we know we have our manager with us. That time I didn't know that. So now you can tell your manager that please wake me up at 4 o'clock, or please wake me up at 3 o'clock, or please wake me up at 6 o'clock, or please wake me up at 5 o'clock, whatever time you want to wake up. And just with that thought, you go to sleep, and then without the alarm, you will wake up at that time. Or maybe if you have put an alarm just to make sure कि आप miss नहीं कर दें, वो doubt आता ही है दिमाग में. So just to make sure that you don't miss it, you will notice that every time when you have put that intention in the mind in the night, आपने वो intention डाल दिया है, either you speak to your manager or you can just tell your pillow that मुझे 4 बजे उठा देना, तो आप देखोगे कि कुछ 5 मिनट पहले ही आपकी आंखें खुल जाएगी. You will wake up, your eyes will open and you'll be very very fresh. You know that thought कि अरे नहीं 10 मिनट और सोना है, अलार्म अगर बजा भी तो उसको बंद करके सो जाएंगे. You know that happens ना, so many of us have been doing, including me. You know कि अलार्म लगाया and अलार्म को बंद करके सो गए. So and सोचा कि अरे 10 मिनट बाद उठेंगे and then it becomes 1 hour and then suddenly we wake up and we are late for everything. So try doing this, all of you. Just put an intention and just now we know how to. We have an invisible manager with us. So make a note. Tell your invisible manager to make a note. Please wake me up at so and so time. And actually, you will wake up at that time. It is really, really magical. You can all try this. Yeah, and we can all share. Try this for at least few days. At least try doing it and then see what happens. Yes?
वो वंदना जी, पहले तो वो मैंने मैनेजर अपॉइंट नहीं किया था, तो फिर मैं मेरे माइंड को मैं वो देती थी और मैंने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है. मैं अलार्म क्लॉक नहीं लगाती हूँ और आप बोलते हैं ऐसा ही होता है कि मैंने सोचा उसे 5 मिनट पहले लगाती थी कि ट्रायल बेस पे कि अगर मैं नहीं उठ पाई तो पर फिर 5 मिनट पहले ही मैं उठ जाती थी. तो इट्स ट्रू.
Yes. Yes, so we all can try this. And yeah, I applied also pillow technique and it's magical. Yes, it is. So we can all try this. Anything else?
मुझे लगता है कि जो ये वो अपना मैनेजर की जॉब प्रोफाइल है ना, तो अपना ये 28 डेज का वो पूरा होगा ना तो इतनी बढ़ गई होगा ताकि सैलरी 9 बटा की बात करें.
So beautiful ना कि the manager is not expecting anything from us. उसको कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं है, उसको तो सिर्फ अपना काम करना है. जो आप बोलोगे वो करेगा वो. The manager says your wish is my command. Yeah, I can understand the joke, Hina ji, but I'm just saying that yes, the manager is unconditionally doing and standing for us always.
अनकंडीशनल लव की तरह है वो मैनेजर भी.
Exactly. Yes, anybody wants to share anything before we go for the visualization?
I want to share.
Yes, please.
लास्ट 2-3 दिन से मैं थोड़ी ज्यादा बिजी भी थी और थोड़ी वरीड भी थी.
It is showing, Margi ji. I could understand.
हाँ, पर एवरी टाइम मैं वही सोचती थी कि थैंक यू फॉर दिस, थैंक यू फॉर दैट. हर जो भी थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम था उसको मैं पॉजिटिव ले रही थी कि थैंक यू गॉड कि हमें टाइम पे उसका सोल्यूशन मिल गया. मतलब कि जो अच्छा नहीं था उसमें भी मैंने अच्छा ही देखा. और ऑल द डे मतलब मैं जितना भी बिजी रही, जो भी मैंने किया मैंने मन से किया. और एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वरना रूटीन में क्या होता था कि मैं ज्यादा थक जाती थी, फिजिकली भी और मेंटली भी. आई गॉट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड सिंस लास्ट 1 year ऑफ कोर्स और मोर देन. मैं जब भी सोने जाती ना मैं बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होती, बहुत इरिटेटेड होती, मोस्टली विद माय सन, क्योंकि पूरे दिन उसने मुझे परेशान किया होता और फिर रात को मुझे लगता अब लेट मी स्लीप. पर अब मेरा बिहेवियर चेंज हो गया है. I don't go to bed with frustration at least.
So, Margi ji, you notice that actually you complained so many times.
पर अब नहीं करती, मैं वो फीलिंग चार्ट भी रखती हूँ.
हाँ.
So I can check on my feelings.
हाँ. So now whenever you want to share, na, you can say that पहले मेरा कुछ अलग फीलिंग्स होती थी. So
हाँ,
you
अब
It's frustration and all. Again, you are putting, you're sending a vibration to the universe. So अब हम consciously ये सब भी use नहीं करेंगे. बोलेंगे उसको express करेंगे पर in a different way.
I'm just sharing. I'm not complaining right now.
I know, but the universe doesn't understand that. That's the beauty of it, na?
अब मैं ध्यान रखूंगी.
So now आप you are aware. That's so beautiful. आप aware हो, and now what is happening? Yes.
मतलब
अभी
now I'm being more positive and more aware with what I'm doing right now. I have a check on my thoughts.
yeah.
So it's amazing to be aware. Awareness से आगे तो कुछ है ही नहीं मतलब.
हाँ.
So I just want to share कि magic is happening.
Yes.
And
So
thank
you are,
you very much.
and how do you feel doing the magic rock practice? वो जब आप ऐसे
I feel very peaceful while going to bed.
And what about your son? Is anything has changed in him when you
नहीं,
are doing this?
he was okay. The problem was with me only.
Lovely, lovely.
He's a child, so he's supposed to be naughty, and he is okay and he's perfect.
So now,
Learn.
yes. So now today you can define your entire day.
Yes.
है ना? Yes.
वैसे तो मुझे लगता है कि जो हमारी डिक्शनरी में से ये सॉरी वर्ड है वही निकल ही जाएगा, क्योंकि हम इतने परफेक्टली सब सोच के काम करेंगे, वर्क करेंगे, कदम बढ़ाएंगे, तो किसी को हमको सॉरी बोलने की नौबत ही नहीं आएगी. ये
True.
मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है.
Yes. Very true. Yes, anybody else wants to share? I could see a name. Pramila, do you want to share anything?
No.
Yes, Pramila, was it you? You want?
Some other time.
Acha, okay, fine. Okay, anybody else has any sharings? No one? So yeah, then we can go. Yes, somebody was.
Manna ji, have you seen my yesterday's assignment?
I'm going to see afterwards. When did you post?
Yeah, today morning.
So I'll see afterwards. I'll see after the session.
Okay.
Yes. So yeah, let's make ourselves as comfortable as we can. Sitting with an erect spine. My request to all of you is before we begin the visualization practice, please mute yourselves. All of you, please check whether you are muted so that there is no disturbance for all of us. And then when we are sitting in that space of silence, the space where we are quietening our mind, अपने दिमाग को, अपने thoughts को, अपने words को, अपने feelings को, जो constant chatter दिमाग में चलता रहता है, that chatter in the mind, continuous flow of thoughts, just be aware of it. And at the same time, be aware of your breaths. Be aware of your inhalations. Be aware of your exhalations. Be aware of the prana shakti, that life force which enters inside our body. And now just ask this question to yourself, this one simple question. What is my next thought? मेरा अगला thought क्या है? and then see what happens. And smile at yourself. Just a gentle, loving smile. Remember the time you woke up and you are on your bed. Remember all those things that we have learned. Just saying thank you. Thank you to my body. Thank you to my eyes. Thank you to my spine. Thank you to the bed. Thank you to the air I breathe. Thank you for another magical day in my life. And then the moment you say this, a smile comes in your eyes. You feel a sense of peace in your heart. And with this feeling, think about all the things that you are going to do the entire day. Be a creator of yourself. These beautiful lines from the Upanishad. I was the creator once. Let me become what I was. I was the creator once. Let me become what I was. So let me create my entire day in front of my eyes. I am living my entire day the way I have structured it. And whatever I am thinking right now, I am expressing my gratitude. I'm saying thank you before it has actually happened. So, thank you for this magical day. Thank you for adding another day to my life. Thank you for the amazing phone call that I have received today. Thank you for my meetings in the office. Thank you for that unexpected call from the client which I was waiting since a year. Thank you for the amazing walk in the beautiful garden. Thank you for that view of the sun rising in front of my eyes. Thank you for my visit to the market to buy vegetables and fruits. Thank you for cooking an amazing lunch and dinner for my family today. Thank you for the lovely get together I had with my school friends. Thank you for the time I spent with my spouse and sharing the joys and happiness of life. Thank you for my trip to the beach today, enjoying the soft touch of the sand, enjoying the waters touching my feet. Thank you. Thank you for my morning puja that I did today, how I woke up, my Lord, how I offered something to eat to the Lord. Thank you. Thank you for the amazing session of yoga today that I did for myself. Thank you for the beautiful and powerful session that I took today for all my students. Thank you. Thank you for the amazing reading of the book today. The book I had wanted to read since so many months. Thank you for the time I could give myself today for whatever I want to do. Thank you. Thank you. And just place your right palm on your heart center and the left palm over it. And thank you as you feel your heartbeats. Thank you for this moment. Thank you. Say thank you to yourself for doing this for yourself, for taking out time for yourself, for being in this session today. Thank you. You can hug yourself. You can just wrap your arms around you and love yourself for being what you are. Accept yourself for being what you are. Accept yourself as you are. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And thanks for all the joy and happiness that is coming on my way. And thank you for the great news that is coming to me today. Thank you. Feel as happy as you can. Thank you for the great news that is coming to me today. Thank you. And whenever you feel, slowly, with a smile on your lips, open your eyes. Thank you so much, everyone. Anybody has any sharings?
Thank you, Anna ji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anna ji.
Thank you.
First time I मतलब realize किया कि I can hug to myself.
So
अभी ऐसा
beautiful. So beautiful. You can hug yourself
दिमाग में नहीं है, दिमाग में
anytime
नहीं
you
है.
can do it. And you don't need the permission. Anytime you can hug yourself and feel beautiful about yourself. Yes, anybody else? How did you feel after doing this? How are you feeling after doing this? Beautiful visualization of defining the structure of your day. Yes? Anybody else? No? Okay. So then we can end today's session. So before we end today's session, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for being in the session today. And thank you for the
Thank you.
coming to me today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody.